Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the most important international events to be celebrated on 18th of September. Yes, in today's session, we will be discussing about International Day for Bamboos, which is also called as World Bamboo Day. Everyone might be curious that bamboo is also like other plants. Then why exactly do we observe a special day for it? Yes, in today's session we will be revealing all the interesting facts related to the Bamboo Day celebration. Also, we will highlight the importance of bamboo in the nature's maintenance. So without wasting the time, let's start with today's session. Very few people actually knows that bamboo has a lot of contribution in our world than we think, as it is used for different purposes like for producing many daily use products like paper, furniture, etc. And among many communities, especially tribal, it has a very large religious significance too. World Bamboo Day is celebrated on 18 September every year. Conceptualized by the World Bamboo Organization, this day is celebrated globally to spread awareness about bamboo conservation, bringing the immense potential of bamboo as an alternative resource to the forefront. World Bamboo Day is also celebrated to promote the global bamboo industry. Now, let's highlight the history of World Bamboo Day. World Bamboo Day was founded by Kamesh Salam as former president of the World Bamboo Organization in the year 2009 at the 8th World Bamboo Congress held in Bangkok. Delegates from almost 100 countries attended the event and agreed to designate September 18 as World Bamboo Day, which was unanimously supported by all the attendees, and since then, every year 18 September is celebrated as World Bamboo Day. Bamboo Day is celebrated every year ever since the World Bamboo Congress conceived its idea. The idea behind this day was to create awareness about its potential as a sustainable resource and its numerous uses in the following areas. Like it has a very crucial role in environment preservation. It has irreplaceable source in housing. It has a very important role in the field of architecture. The instruments like flute are made up of bamboo. It has significant role in the field of art and food. It also plays a major role in the field of medicine. Now, let's see what is the significance of World Bamboo Day. The bamboo plant is known for being one of the fastest growing plant in the world. It is versatile and culturally and economically significant in Southeast Asian, East Asian and South Asian parts of the world. Bamboo Day holds great significance because it promotes the usage and preservation of bamboo plants. During the celebration of the Bamboo Day, awareness is spread regarding the plant's utility in the personal and commercial spheres. Now, let's see some interesting facts associated with the World Bamboo Day celebration. The bamboo plant is also called as a green gold or poor man's timber. This plant can grow anywhere, requires deficient maintenance and has a versatile potential. Bamboo plants can help in the reclamation of the wastelands and severely degraded area, and thus it can help in preventing soil erosion. It acts as a suitable soil binder and plays a significant role in water and soil conservation. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on the planet Earth, and also it has been recorded growing at an amazing 47.6 inches in a period of 24 hours. Bamboo plays a crucial role in balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere. A grove of bamboo release almost 35% more oxygen than an equivalent stand of trees. Isn't it amazing? On this World Bamboo Day, I would like to share a great bamboo quote which conveys we should be like a bamboo. The higher you grow, the deeper you bow, which conveys that, or which is another reminder to respect the flexibility of the bamboo. This Chinese proverb preaches the virtue of humility. Greatness should not be measured in sheer strength or superiority to others, but by one's ability to bow down to others with modesty and compassion. And that's what the secret of life is. On this World Bamboo Day, let's take an oath that we will preserve the bamboo culture. We will try to safeguard this plant and also respect the need of the tribal communities. I hope now everyone is clear with the facts associated with the World Bamboo Day celebration. Thank you for being connected.